Hi there, my name is Pam from PG Creations. I'm very excited to show you how to assemble a 3D cake topper. Here's a list of the items you will be needing to create a 3D cake topper. What I like to do first is to lay all my pieces out so that I can see what I have to work with. A 3D cake topper has multiple layers that you need to put together. In order to make it a 3D cake topper, you would use foam tape or foam dots, as I'm doing right now, and that's what creates that 3D effect. It's very important to make sure that you glue your items straight, so I made sure to create a design that allowed me to just lay things on top of each other. For the pieces that don't require the foam dots, just simply use any type of glue that you would like. When gluing onto a glitter cardstock, you have to use hot glue, otherwise it won't adhere to it. The name can be sometimes difficult to put together because the letters are usually small. So you can use something like a tweezer. In this case, I used my scissors, but a tweezer would work probably better to help you just position everything where it needs to go. My design is almost complete at this point. The only thing missing are the roses. Unfortunately, I did not record myself doing that part, but it's pretty easy to do. I rolled together 3 roses and attached them to those 3 green circles. Here is my completed cake topper. Please make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. I will provide the link below of my video on how to create this design on Cricut Design Space.